Okay, today we're talking about Toyota, specifically the Tundras and 4Runners. We get lots of questions on people looking for covers kind of in the early 2000s to mid-late 2000s for the Toyotas. And there's a really weird reason on why we don't carry those. What happened back in the day, Toyota manufactured all the cars with cloth interiors, and they shipped them over to the U.S. They brought them through the port in Houston for the most part as cloth interiors. Now, there was a third-party upfitter in the Houston area that actually changed all the interiors from cloth over to leather. So what that means is that they can use different shades of leather. They may have X amount of hides of one shade, then another dye lot comes through, and they make covers in another dye lot, and it changed quite a bit. A while back, we ordered a bunch of frames from Salvage Yard, brought them all in, had a bunch of 4Runner seats, half of them tan, half gray. We started digging in the VIN numbers, and a lot of them were manufactured with cloth from the manufacturer, from Toyota, before they got shipped over. Then they got changed to leather, and the shades were different between all of them. So it wasn't like all of them got the same shade of tan, all of them got the same shade of gray. It was a moving target. So if you were to call us with your vehicle, with your VIN number, we could look it up, and it shows cloth. We don't know what color leather, shade of leather. They also changed the stitching pattern a little bit on the seats, on the seat covers. So there was just such a moving target. We were never able to match exactly what came in there like we do for the rest of our seat covers.